train now. Next stop is where you like, 'cause I love to see your smiling face, even if it's only for the next 4 days. Oh, baby, baby, can't call you baby, 'cause you believe in Jesus and I believe in baby's life. Maybe you'll see that you're mine to be out of the harbor and sailing the sea. So here comes the Tickle train now. Chugga, 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 chugga. Here comes a different way now. Chugga, 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 chugga. It could take you to a destination far beyond expectations. If you like to see, just pull back the curtain and take a moment to breathe. 'Cause I loved it when you picked me up, ran across the highway and dropped me in the mud. I wiped my shoes on your jeans, so when you finally watch them, you'd have to think of me. Well, here comes the Tickle train now. Chugga, 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 chugga. Here comes a different way now. Here comes the Tickle train now. Chugga, 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 chugga. Here comes a different way now. Chugga, 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 chugga. Well, when this song reaches your ears, you won't be offended or think I'm weird. It's just a simple homage to the short time we had. Even if it's corny, I know it made you laugh. So here comes the Tickle train now. Chugga, 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 chugga. Here comes a different way now. Chugga, 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 chugga. Here comes the Tickle train. Chugga, 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 chugga. Here comes a different way now. Chugga, 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 chugga. Here comes the Tickle train, y'all. Chugga. All aboard.